I'm Alan Shepard. I'm the president of Western University. I'm joined today by Sarah Gallagher and Jan Kemi, who are professors of physics and astronomy here at Western University. Talk a little bit about the kind of research you would do and the kind of teaching you would do.
What we do as astronomers is we're trying to understand what is going on in the universe really, really far away. When you look at something, you're almost always looking at a snapshot, just a moment of time. And so if you want to understand how things change over time, you have to look farther back in time and try to understand, what's the story? How do we put everything together? And for me, that's what's really exciting, is trying to just figure out how all this weird and wonderful stuff actually happened.
Do you think about time differently than people like me who are not astronomers do you think? Or
the comment that I often get from people who are not scientists are like, oh, I can't wrap my head around it. The sizes, the distances, the time scales, but neither can we.
See, I'm sitting here thinking that you guys have got that part figured out. I'm thinking I can't really imagine.
What we can do is we can make scale models and we can pretend like, hey, this is how you can visualize it or think about it. But then often ask like, oh, does that mean that the universe makes you feel insignificant? Well, maybe in a sense it does, but at the same time, it's pretty impressive that we are here as part of the universe, right? Because that's the other thing, the whole evolution of what happens in the universe is in our body. You look at the carbon atoms in your one finger and the other finger, that carbon may have been formed in different stars in previous generations. And so here we are essentially the universe figuring itself out. And it's a privilege to be kind of having a front row seat in that process.
We're participants in a very minor way, right?
Yeah. As an astronomer, one of the things I think that we have perspective on is just how unique the Earth is and how special. We are in exactly the right spot in order for life to flourish. The nature of our sun, the rotation of our planet, the fact that we have a magnetic field, all of those details have really made the Earth quite a special place. And I think as an astronomer, I certainly have a really strong appreciation for how special it is and how important it is to look after it.